Vechain at the time of this recording is giving us a bounce to the upside after we continued to hold within our key area of support between the 0.05688 and the 0.04233. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and on today's update video I will be discussing my breakout target areas, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out Bybit, which is my go-to exchange, where you can see that on sign up you can now claim up to $50 in sign up bonuses and get a chance to earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. And I will be leaving a link down in the description box. Starting the video on the 4-hour chart by first briefing you on this Elliot structure right here on the chart in blue, which has been playing out from the lows that we made on the 4th of November. You can see that we first peaked to the upside in the formation of this wave 1. Then we saw a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, a bounce in the formation of this wave 3, a wave 4, and finally peaked to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, in a move that has now given us a high above the 0.08026. And having seen a 5-wave structure to the upside, I now believe that we have completed the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. And having seen the formation of that first wave, whatever I expected next was the start of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum pullback target areas can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows that we made on the 4th of November to the highs above the 0.08, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382, and that was between the 0.05684 and the 0.04245, which is the area that I have marked here on the chart using this red target area, an area that we almost fully maximized and is now giving us a bit of a reaction to the upside in what I believe is the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.14922. So in the next coming hours, there are very high chances that Vechain might get an aggressive breakout to the upside, manage to break above significant highs, getting us back above the 0.14 in the next coming hours. We also need to have in mind that since we didn't quite fully maximize our red target area down here, this could still be a corrective structure that is playing out, where we can have these as a wave A, an ABC corrective structure, having that as the wave A. Then we can expect a bounce in a wave B before we can finally see one more new low in the formation of that wave C. And the minimum target areas for this wave B can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the wave A to the low of that wave A, giving me a minimum target area for that wave B between the fib level 0.78 and the fib level 0.5, and that is between the 0.0737 and the 0.0652, an area that we are almost we are just about to fully maximize. So in the next coming hours, we need to pay a lot of attention to this target area, because if by any chance we get rejected over here, expect one more new low in the formation of this wave C. But if by any chance we see a bullish momentum pushing us higher and we manage to break through this key area of resistance over here, then that will be suggesting a more bullish case scenario is unfolding, where we can easily get back above the $0.14 in the next coming days. On the daily chart, I still maintain that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulsive movement to the upside that peaked above the 0.05526 in the formation of that Elliot wave count 1. Then we saw a pullback in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum pullback target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we fully maximized. Then we saw a bounce in the formation of this wave 3 that peaked above the $0.08. Then we started a pullback in the formation of these wave 4 into the minimum pullback target areas marked on the charts using these red target area, an area that is now giving us a reaction to the upside in what I now believe is the start of a bounce in the formation of these Elliot wave count 5. So that is all I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.